Hello guys, today I'm very excited to show you a product. Like you can see, I'm in my car, so I think that you know already what I'm going to show you. Obviously something for the car, but I have here this upright lip balm holder for a car. It's like this, okay? So I'm going to open it, and I'm seeing in this part, like inside, that it has like a tape. So I think that it's going to be pasted. Well, I'm going to open it and then I'm going to show you. Okay guys, I already opened it, and like this is the product. This is what I was telling you. It has like a sticker, and this red thing, you need to pull it off or take it off, and then you're going to paste it, okay? The material, it says here in the back part that it's a PETG. And it says the product is made of PETG material, which is environmentally friendly and non-toxic, and has the characteristic of pressures resistance and high temperature resistance. The high viscosity nano-double-sided adhesive in the fitting part can make the product stick more firmly. Wow, I like that it says that it's a like resistance to high temperatures, because really here in my city it's very hot. So I think this one, it will be perfect. And okay, I'm going to take this part, and I was thinking where I can put it, but I think that I already found a place, a really good place. So I'm going to show you. Okay guys, here is the product. So I'm going to take this plastic off, okay, like this, and then I'm going to put it in this. Okay, I'm going to put it, I think that in this part, okay, like this. Okay, there, it looks great, I think. And I'm going to put something inside. Okay guys, it looks like that, and I can put this one, okay, that it's a balm tint, or I can put this one here. I was seeing if I can put two, but I just can put one, so it could be that one. And I think it looks really good, and I will always have here my chapstick or my lip balm, so I like it, and I think, and I hope you like it too.